Friends, a lot of you have been asking me about the CFA Assist program, which actually, gives everybody opportunity to apply for the scholarship exam and get scholarship because the fees for CFA enrollment is very, very high. So here in this short video, shortest video, I am going to explain to you how you can use ChatGPT to generate the scholarship letter for you to apply, or the scholarship SOP for you rather, to apply for the scholarship exam. So here is what I have done. Let me show you how I came here. You just press in ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT, right? Open a new chat over here, right? And you just put in the context, right? So for the quickness of the video, what I have done is I have already pasted the entire thing. So what did I write? I am a CFA aspirant. I have a 4 plus CGPA in all the financial subjects here in my premium institute, and put the institute name here. My finance teacher also has a great recommendation for me, but I am the sole breadwinner in my family and I am not yet employed. So I need CFA Assist Scholarship. Can you please write an SOP for this thing? So, friends, as you see, what I have written here is that I have asked ChatGPT to write a scholarship SOP for me, but at the same time, I have made it very contextual. I have given him the brief about what I am or who I am, and I have given the entire context, so that with this context, ChatGPT is able to deliver this scholarship SOP for me in the format in which I want, or or in the format in which the context of who I am is built in. Right. So these are the smart hacks here which you'll have to use with ChatGPT. It needs instruction in a more constructive manner. Let's now see how this pans out. So I just press enter and see it has already started typing and has started putting in everything. Right. So what it does is it structures the entire context in a very lucid format. It takes this format, adds its artificial intelligence, and then builds this beautiful SOP letter for me in matter of seconds. What I can do is now copy this entire thing, paste it on the Word doc, and I can easily uh, paste it somewhere and can easily edit it as per my requirement. So here was the short video. I hope you liked it. A lot of people have asked me कि यार ऐसे करने से क्या मेरा पकड़ा जाएगा क्या, etc etc. So you have to be very creative here. So now when you edit it, it has given you a construct of how to put it. Now you morph it in a fashion in which it becomes very original, and it captures your voice. So while it has done 70% of the job, the remaining 30% of the job of making it much more contextual, much more humane, lies with you. But this is a good way to start with an SOP letter, क्योंकि generally जब हमको बोला जाता है that we have to write an SOP letter, we always get it, this thing gets into our head कि, oh my god, I have to spend hours and hours thinking about it. But with ChatGPT this becomes very, very easy. Hope you liked it. Follow us to get more such insights.